Samsung's next Fold might finally fix the one thing people notice first, the crease. And if that actually happens, it is a much bigger upgrade than it sounds. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is still months away. Early leaks already point to something more important than just a thinner design. This looks like Samsung trying to fix the parts of the Fold that still make it feel unfinished, because that has always been the strange thing about foldables. They look futuristic immediately, but after a few minutes, the compromises start to show. The biggest rumor right now is a nearly crease-free display. Samsung Display showed new foldable panel tech at CES 2026, and reports suggest a revised internal support structure with dual-layer ultra-thin glass to reduce stress around the fold. In normal human language, the line in the middle should be much harder to see and much less distracting, and that matters more than people think. On a foldable, the crease affects reading, video, gaming, editing, basically anything you do on the inner screen. If Samsung really improves that, the whole phone instantly feels more refined. Leaks suggest the standard Fold 8 could stay close to the Fold 7 in overall size, around a 6.5-inch cover display and an 8-inch inner screen. So the shape may not change much, but the everyday experience might. A rumored jump from 4,400 to 5,000 milliamp hours, plus 45-watt charging, would be one of the most meaningful upgrades here. Not because it looks exciting on a spec sheet, because on a phone this expensive, battery life should not feel like a compromise. There is also talk of lower weight, and on a foldable, even a small drop matters. These phones ask a lot from your hand and your pocket, so every gram counts. But here's the part that sounds less convincing. The camera rumors are not nearly as exciting. The 200MP main camera is expected to stay, that is fine. The ultra-wide may improve, also good. But the telephoto still looks like the weak point. And that matters, because at this price, good enough is not really good enough. If Samsung does not make a real zoom camera upgrade, a lot of people are going to see this as another impressive foldable with camera compromises attached. And then there is the most interesting rumor of all, a Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide. A shorter, wider fold could make a lot of sense. Better for video, better for multitasking, and probably better for making the outer screen feel less narrow and awkward. That could be Samsung's smartest move here. Not just improving the fold, but rethinking what the best fold shape actually is. So this is why the Fold 8 suddenly feels important. If Samsung really delivers a cleaner display, a bigger battery, faster charging, and maybe even a better shape, this could be the first Samsung foldable that feels genuinely complete. But if the cameras barely move, that will still be the asterisk. Because on a phone this expensive, people expect fewer compromises, not better excuses. So if Samsung only gets one of these right, what matters most to you? No crease, better battery, or the new wide design?